What if your body after 60 wasn't getting weaker? It was simply waiting for the right signal. For decades, we've been told a story that aging means slowing down, losing balance, and becoming dependent. That strength fades, muscles shrink, and confidence disappears. But that story is outdated. The truth? Aging doesn't mean decline. It means adaptation. Your body still learns, still heals, still rebuilds. New research from Harvard, Stanford, and Johns Hopkins has completely changed how we understand aging. These studies show that even after 60, your body can rebuild muscle and nerve strength faster than anyone believed possible. You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or painful routines. You just need the right signals, the right kind of movement. Yet most older adults rely only on walking to stay active. Walking is great for your heart, but it activates only about 30% of your body's strength system. That means nearly 70% of your muscles are still sleeping, and many still believe exercise must hurt to work. But pain is not progress. It's your body asking for a smarter approach. Your body doesn't need to fight harder. It needs to listen better. Because strength after 60 isn't about resistance. It's about reconnection. So stay with me until the end, because your journey back to strength, balance, and confidence begins right now. Now that you know your body isn't breaking down, it's simply waiting for the right signal. Let's start rebuilding strength from the ground up. And there's no better place to begin than with something symbolic: standing up from a chair. Because every time you rise, you're not just lifting your body, you're lifting your independence. This simple move, the chair squat, strengthens your legs, hips, and core, the foundation for stability and confidence in daily life. A Harvard study found that older adults who practiced slow, controlled squats improved leg strength and balance by 38%. No gym required. Common mistake? Rushing and using momentum instead of muscle. The secret is control, moving slow enough for your brain to stay connected with your body. Here's how. Stand before a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Push hips back, lower slowly until your glutes lightly touch the chair. Don't sit. Press through heels, squeeze glutes as you rise. Do 3 sets of 8 reps. Rest 45 seconds between. Every rep reminds you you're strong, you're steady, and you're in control. True strength doesn't come from lifting weights. It begins from within. That's why exercise number 2. The modified plank with knees focuses on your core, the deep center that keeps your body stable, your spine supported, and your confidence strong. When your core is weak, your back aches, balance fades, and simple movements feel harder. But when it's strong, you move, breathe, and live with ease. This exercise also strengthens the pelvic floor, the hidden foundation that supports posture, bladder control, and stability. A 2024 Harvard study found that older adults who practiced modified planks daily improved pelvic floor endurance by 39%, reducing back pain and urinary leakage, a silent issue for many after 60. Here's how to do it. Start on a soft surface, resting on forearms and knees. Keep elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to knees. Gently pull your belly button toward your spine, as if zipping your pants. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathe steadily, and rest 30 seconds. Do 3 rounds, adding 5 seconds each week. Avoid holding your breath or raising hips too high. Move with calm control, because confidence doesn't start with muscles, it starts with connection. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you stood tall, opened your chest, and took a deep, freeing breath? Good posture isn't just about how you look, it's how your body feels and your mind functions. That's why exercise number 3. The resistance band row is so powerful. When you sit or stand tall, your lungs expand, your breath deepens, your heart rate slows, and your energy, both physical and emotional, begins to rise. A Johns Hopkins University study found that seniors who practiced band-pulling exercises improved lung capacity, reduced cortisol, and became more emotionally resilient. Here's how. Sit tall on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. Loop a resistance band around your feet, holding one end in each hand. Before pulling, roll your shoulders gently back and down. Pull your elbows straight behind you. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold 2 seconds, then return slowly for 3 to 4 seconds. Do 3 sets of 12 reps, resting 45 seconds between sets. Avoid shrugging or holding your breath. Control is key. Because when you open your chest, you don't just stand taller. You open yourself to a calmer, stronger, more confident life. Exercise number 5. The standing knee raise does exactly that. It strengthens your hips and core while sharpening your balance reflex, the body's built-in safety system that helps you react before you fall. Every time you lift your knee, you activate the hip flexor reflex arc, a direct communication line between your legs and brain. Over time, this simple move trains your body to recover faster from stumbles and stay steady on uneven ground. A Boston University study found that older adults who practiced controlled knee lifts daily reduced their risk of falling by 43%, not just through muscle strength, but faster brain-body response. Here's how to do it. Stand beside a sturdy chair or countertop for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart, shoulders back, and core gently engaged. Slowly lift one knee toward your chest over 3 seconds. Hold 2 seconds, then lower for 3 seconds. Do 8 reps per leg times 3 sets, resting 30 seconds between. Avoid lifting too fast or leaning to one side. Because every lift isn't just movement, it's a conversation between your brain and your body, reminding you that you're still quick, steady, and strong. To make these exercises truly work, your daily habits matter just as much. Start with protein, about 0.7 grams per pound of body weight, to help your muscles rebuild and recover faster. Protect your sleep, because those 7 to 8 hours each night are when your body truly repairs and grows stronger. And most importantly, stay consistent. It's not perfection that transforms your health, but the small, steady steps you take every day. Each workout, each meal, each deep breath is your body whispering, "I'm still growing, still healing, still alive." You didn't just learn 5 exercises today. You learned how to reconnect with your body, your mind, and your strength. Every movement, every breath, every pause is a reminder. You're not getting weaker. Your body is simply waiting to be awakened. Aging isn't about fighting time. It's about rediscovering who you are beneath the years. These movements aren't just workouts. They're acts of remembrance, helping you walk steadier, breathe deeper, and live more fully. After years of working with thousands of older adults, I've learned this. Strength after 60 is built on patience, awareness, and consistency. It lives in quiet moments, slow breaths, gentle motions, when your body whispers, "I'm still here, I'm still strong, I'm still alive." So which exercise will you start with today? Share your story below. It might inspire someone else to rise again. And if this video brought you hope, hit subscribe, because every week we'll grow stronger, steadier, together.